Hello, welcome to Chillin with the Chisholms. In this video, I'm going to show you how I made this tuna salad the Chisholm way. So stay tuned. Hey y'all, so I'm about to show y'all how to make tuna salad the Chisholm way. Okay, so each little batch that I make, I use 2 cans of this, some mustard, some relish, some mayo, and some lemon juice, and 1 egg. I got 2 eggs out because I was going to make like 2 batches, but I decided to just make 1. So I already opened up 2 cans, drained it, all of that, and that's where we're starting at here. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 spoons of lemon juice. And I'm doing it like this because I'm holding the phone, so bear with me. So 2 spoons of lemon juice, 2 spoons of mayo, 1 spoon of mustard, and then about 3 to 4 spoons of relish, depending on how much relish you like. So that's about 1.5. That's about another 1.5. So that's 3. And then we'll do 1 more. Ooh, that's good. All right, so about 2 spoons of lemon, 2 spoons of mayo, 1 spoon of mustard, and about 4 spoons of relish. And I'm gonna chop 1 egg up and throw that over in here, and I will come back. All right, y'all, I chopped the egg up, added that in here, and now I'm going to add some garlic salt and some black pepper, and I'm going to mix it up, and that's going to be it. I'm going to show y'all the crackers that I'm going to eat it with. All right, y'all, so this is the finished result, and it tastes amazing. And these are the crackers that I will be eating it with. The saltines with some whole grain in there. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed to see this little kind of healthy snack that I'm going to be doing. Keep an eye out for more weight loss videos. I have been doing a lot of research. I'm going through what in the world? I'm going through the twerking tone system again because, as y'all saw, that's the only one that I have completed. So I decided to let's give that a try again, and let's just see, you know, what happens or whatever. I've been going to the gym. Last week I went to the gym 2 days. So this week I'm gonna try to get in there 3 days. So I'm really trying to take this month to really just, you know, focus on my fitness while I don't have to worry about, you know, going to work or anything like that. I'm just going to take this month and focus on my fitness and my eating. And then from there, we're just going to keep on moving forward. So make sure y'all leave us some comments of some other stuff y'all want to see me make. And until next time, we'll be chilling.